Hello guys! Welcome back sa aking YouTube channel. In today's video, meron na naman tayong physics question na nanggagaling sa Battle of the Brains College Division Difficult Round Batch 1994. And the question here is, a boy throws a ball of mass 0.20 kilograms straight up into the air with an initial speed of 15 meters per second. The constant of the gravity is 10 meters per second squared. So hindi natin gagamitin ang 9.8 kasi sa given question ay 10. And here's the question. How high does the ball rise? Since sa question natin, ang ginamit na acceleration ay gravity, which is constant, at the same time, there's no time included, gagamitin natin ang kinematic equation. Kinematic equation, which is velocity squared is equal to initial velocity squared plus 2 and acceleration maximum height. And now, what we're going to do, we will simply substitute the following. Itong V, which is the highest peak of velocity, that will be 0 meters per second. Itong U, which is the initial velocity, based sa given question natin, 15 meters per second siya. So we will take 15 meters per second. Tapos ang A, which is the gravity, we will take this as negative 10 meters per second squared. Bakit po negative? Kasi it opposes the motion upward. Then, the S is the thing that we need to find. In order to get the S, which is the maximum height, we will take up the velocity squared minus initial velocity squared divided by 2A. And if we're going to substitute this based to the following, this will be 0 squared minus 15 squared all over 2 and negative 10. If we will eliminate the exponent, this will be 0 minus 15 squared. What is 15 squared? Very good, that's 225 all over 2 times negative 10 is negative 20. Okay, what we're going to do now, we will just simply cross out the 0. As you all know, if we're about to divide the negative sa negative, that will automatically be positive. Okay? Then now, we will simply divide 225 sa 20.
2,000 years later.
Then put imaginary 0. So, 100 divided by 20 is 5. Ayan po. Ito po ang final answer. So, the answer for this given question is 11.25 meters. I hope you learned something new. It's me, Bernardo Escorial. Stacker out.